Today we are going to make sizzling pancake dessert with ice cream. For that we need 1 cup of maida, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoon melted butter, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 4 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. First of all, sieve all the ingredients. Mix them well. Add melted butter. Now gradually add milk and mix well. Batter should be in pouring consistency and should be smooth. Now last add buttermilk. Half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put some butter on it. Make small amount of batter. Keep it for 5 minutes. Now turn it. Put some more butter. Now your pancake is ready. Now we have a hot plate that is putting in wooden plate. This is sizzler plate. If you don't have sizzler plate, you can place it in normal plate also. But make sure your pancake should be hot. Now we are putting vanilla ice cream. You can take as much scoops as you want. That is up to you. Garnish it with Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can see the sizzling. Put some grated chocolates. It looks so yummy. Some chopped cashew nuts. And some wafer biscuits. See, your sizzling pancake dessert is ready. Enjoy it.